the YouTube Studio app. For the settings, I told you before that I was going to show you push notification. So you're just going to click on these settings that you are seeing here. Settings, click on settings, then you are going to see the push notification I was talking about. So we are going to be dealing with like just two: push notification and audience. Click on this push notification. You are going to see analytics, achievement, policy, and update. So all of these things you must turn on. Turn all of these things on. Like, let me click on this analytics. Sorry, it is analytics. Let me click on this analytics. So you see that I've turned it off. It's not supposed to be turned off, so just turn it on. Do you understand? Everything here, like I've done mine before, so that's why everything is turned on. The achievements is turned on, the policy is turned on, ways to earn on YouTube is turned on, updates is what is turned on. So this analytics is what insights about your channel. You'll be able to understand your channel, your videos, the audience, the time, everything you need to know about your channel, updates, everything. That is what it does. So these achievements, memorable moments, and more, policy, copyright issues, strikes, checks and balance. This one is going to make sure that your video does not go against the YouTube policy. Do you understand? So you need to turn it on. Then these ways to earn on YouTube, you need to turn it on. Updates, which is collaboration. You can collaborate with your channel. Yes, if you have other channel, and you can collaborate with other people that is on your niche too. It just depends. Just collaborate with them, with people in your same niche, so that their audience will also have access to your videos, if you can. That is, if you can. Then important status updates and more. So this last one is just about updates. YouTube will update, so you just have to click turn it on. Is very, very important. Then let's now move to the second one that I discussed about. That is audience. So you need to change this one to what? This audience to not made for children. It shouldn't be made for children. If you are looking onto monetization on YouTube here, your audience shouldn't be made for children. Just set it as not made for children. You see, now is your channel made for children? Settings for individual videos can override this. So this first point says, yes, I mostly upload content that is made for children. The second one says, no, I almost never upload content that is made for children. So if you are looking onto monetization here, you should click the second one. Turn it on. Click the second one. So the third one says, I want to review the settings for every video. You can also use this third one too. When I started out on YouTube, it was the third one I was using, but I don't want to stress myself. So before you upload, you will need to turn it on your YouTube app. You need to, every of your video, you must always be clicking made for children or not made for children. So if you don't want to stress yourself, just go straight to the point and just click on this middle one. No, I almost never upload content that is made for children. That is how. This is very, very an important settings that you'll be needing for your the overall performance of your channel. If you are looking onto monetization, the first one is this push notification, and the second one is audience. I hope this video has been so helpful. Kindly like, share, subscribe, comment, and subscribe again. Subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.